in this problem, I will show you a method to solve this system without creating the quadratic. And in my opinion, this method is elegant and professional. So let's just start. For that, we will set x is equal to u plus v and y is equal to u minus v. So from the first equation, x plus y is equal to 5, x is equal to u plus v, so u plus v plus y, u minus v, u minus v is equal to, of course, 5. And the second equation, x, y is equal to 6, x, u plus v, y, u minus v, u minus v is equal to 6. And here you see v will just cancel. So the first equation becomes u plus u, 2 u is equal to 5. And the second one, here we have a special product, u plus v times u minus v is u squared minus v squared, of course, equals 6. And here we have already u is equal to 5 over 2. So u is equal to 5 over 2. And replacing u in the second equation, we will have here u is equal to 5 over 2. So 5 over 2 squared minus v squared is equal to 6. Of course, here u is equal to 5 over 2. And here 5 over 2 squared is 25. 5 squared over 2 squared over 4 minus v squared is equal to 6. Now let's solve this second equation for v. So here we have 25 over 4, and here plus 6 goes to the left side and becomes minus 6 is equal to, and minus v squared goes to the right side, becomes v squared. And of course here the same denominator is 4. So 25 over 4 minus, and 6 is 24 over 4 is equal to v squared. Of course, 25 minus 24 is 1. So here 1 over 4 is equal to v squared. V squared is equal to 1 over 4. And this is an easy equation. V squared is equal to 1 over 4, meaning that v is equal to the square root of 1 over 4 and minus the square root of 1 over 4. So v is equal to the square root of 1 over 4, which is 1/2, or v is equal to minus the square root of 1 over 4, which is minus 1/2. Now the final step is that we will plug the values of u and v in those two equations, x equals u plus v and y equals u minus v, to get all the values of x and y. So for the first solution, we have x equals u plus v, x equals u plus v, u equals 5 over 2, plus the first value of v, 1/2. So here we will use v equals 1/2, and y is equal to 5/2, of course, minus 1/2, u minus v, 5/2 minus 1/2. So here 5 plus 1 is 6, and 6/2 is 3. Of course, here y is equal to 5 minus 1 is 4, and 4/2 is 2. This is the first solution. And now the second solution with v equals minus 1/2. So x is equal to, u is 5/2, just one value, plus v, so v is 1 minus 1/2, so plus minus 1/2. And here y is equal to u minus v, so 5/2 minus v, which is minus 1/2. Of course, here 5 plus minus 1 is 4, and 4/2 is 2. And here 5 minus 1, it's 5 plus 1, 6/2, which is 3. So the system has two solutions, x equals 3 and y equals 2, 3, 2. And the second solution, x equals 2 and y equals 3. And this, of course, concludes our problem.